We could expect maximum volatility during this election day. Yes, I could expect the price movement even all the way up to the 80,000 US dollars and all the way back down to the 60,000 US dollars of absolutely possible during the next 24 hours. But ultimately, guys, it doesn't matter who's going to win, because overall, guys, Bitcoin has been banned in several countries around the world. And did it stop all these people from holding a decentralized, fair and honest money, being Bitcoin? No. So overall, guys, the outcome is going to be irrelevant. But overall, if we're going to see that Trump is going to win, this is going to be a bullish move for the overall crypto market. And if Kamala Harris is going to win, we could expect a short-term move, maybe even all the way back down to the 60,000 US dollars. But guys, this is just going to be a fast move, because Bitcoin is here to stay, and we're going to look at the cycles. Is history going to repeat? We're going to look at the previous elections and the short time frames for Bitcoin. So if you want to find out what is going to happen in the immediate short term, make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and welcome back, guys. Yes, today's going to be extremely volatile, so don't even think about opening a trade during this volatile move towards the upside or even towards the downside, because this will bring a lot of liquidations. Because on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin came all the way up nearly to its previous high, and then we saw this correction where a lot of bears shorted the market. But yes, we could see that this was a perfect correction. The price movement of Bitcoin broke the 13 moving average exactly here, but we found perfect support exactly at the levels of 66,900 US dollars, and now we're seeing this bounce, and Bitcoin is still forming a higher low exactly here. So overall, on the daily chart, this looks extremely bullish, but be prepared, guys, that we could expect a volatile move, maybe even breaking the previous all-time high and coming all the way back down. A lot of investors are in extreme fear, and I wouldn't trade this move towards the upside or even towards the downside. So if you're not in a trade at the moment, guys, don't open a trade in the next 24 hours until we're going to see the price movement, see a volatile move and consolidate at a certain range before we can enter the next major trade. And yes, guys, if you want to copy all of my trades, because we are in this awesome trade on Casper, yes, we're reckoning some major profits. We opened this trade yesterday evening, and I don't expect a lot of volatility for Casper. Yes, maybe we're going to see the price movement come all the way up here, and then we're going to see a volatile swing. But overall, guys, I do believe we could expect that Casper is going to reach its take profit round about the 13-cent level, because if we're going to zoom out on the daily chart, this is going to be a previous high. Yes, this isn't even the all-time high or the swing high for Casper. So ultimately, guys, we bought low and we're going to sell high. Maybe we're going to change our take profit and move it all the way up here. Then this trade will be absolutely golden, because if we're going to reach our take profit, this is going to be 300% profit with a margin of $100. So yes, guys, if you want to copy all of my trades, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, because ultimately, guys, we're just at the beginning of a major move towards the upside. And before we're going to look at the previous elections, let's go over to this post, because yes, Trump leads, but the swing states will decide on the election. This is really going to be important. The swing states like Pennsylvania, Georgia, Wisconsin, this is really going to make the difference. Is Donald Trump going to win? And if we're going to see that Donald Trump is going to win, this is going to be a major pump towards the upside. Yes, guys, I could even expect that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to see a straight move towards the upside all the way to the 80,000 US dollars, and then we're going to see this next consolidation. And ultimately, guys, all of these altcoins will be absolutely flying. We can see that on the weekly chart, you're maybe down, but this is exactly why you're here in the crypto market, to get these volatile moves towards the upside. And yes, you don't deserve those volatile moves towards the upside if you can't handle these retracements of 23 or even 20% in the immediate short term. Because if we go over on the daily chart, all of these profits, yes, guys, are just from the previous 24 hours. So yes, maybe your coins on the weekly chart are down 20%, but can you see all of these major moves? Yes, 11%, 13% in 24 hours, and this is only going to be the beginning. Because if we're going to look at the history, yes, each and every time after the election, which was round about November, and this is exactly what we've been talking about. And the cycles of Bitcoin, the 4-year cycles, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, and we can see that each and every time after the previous elections we saw the start of this parabolic run towards the upside in the year 2016, in the year 2020, and this time it's going to be no different. Yes, we could expect volatile price movements within this range, and that's why, guys, don't trade with the leverage. And guys, ultimately all of these coins are at a great buying opportunity. Ignore all the FUD and the short-term volatility. Even if Bitcoin goes all the way up to the 80,000 US dollars and comes all the way back down to the 60,000 US dollars, which is going to be absolutely possible, because this is going to be the most important day when it comes to all the financial markets, and especially for Bitcoin. And after that, guys, even if Kamala Harris wins, the Bitcoin price movement is just going to carry on with a 4-year cycle and see this major blow towards the upside. And yes, guys, if you're not into the crypto market yet, pause the video, smash up the like button and subscribe. Go down in the video description below, sign up to BloFin, join my free Telegram group, and guys, this is going to really change your life, because this is only going to be the beginning of this major run. And yes, I don't want to be political on this channel, but I would definitely vote for Bitcoin and any party who's going to support Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the money of the future, and you need to invest into crypto because you're still extremely early. Because on the 4-hour chart we can see that Bitcoin perfectly bounced off from this upward sloping trend. And yes, guys, I do expect we're going to get this bullish move all the way to the election result. And yes, guys, we could expect some volatility, but overall this move is going to continue towards the upside. And I even told you that a lot of people will turn bearish exactly here, and that this move towards the upside, maybe with a little bit of volatility, but overall, guys, it doesn't matter if you're going to buy here, here, or here, but as long as you're not going to buy exactly the top. Yes, you had this major consolidation zone to buy exactly each and every time at these fearful moments. And yes, guys, a lot of people didn't have the conviction to buy all the way down here, so they won't have the conviction to buy here just before the start of this major parabolic run towards the upside. So please, guys, don't miss out on this major move towards the upside, because yes, we could even break the previous all-time high, come all the way to the next major level, the 80,000 US dollars, and continue to go all the way up to the 100,000 US dollars, not even being the swing high. So yes, don't be fooled from this major volatility. Buy before we're going to see this major hype, because you're going to buy the next top. You need to be for crypto, and if you want to trade on the leverage market, go over to my YouTube channel where I made this dedicated video how to trade on BloFin, how to open a long or even a short trade, or how to buy crypto on the spot market. And make sure to be subscribed, because I'm going to upload a video which altcoins you need in your portfolio. So guys, yes, all you need to do is smash up the like button and subscribe and be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.